Hello, today I'm going to be making doggy poo bag holders for Berkeley. The design that I have comes from Christine's Home Affairs, and a link to her original video can be found in the description below. For this project, you will need one piece of canvas fabric cut at 6 by 5 1/4. I just serged the edges here just to keep it from fraying. You will also need one zipper. You'll need a little clip here so that people can clip that onto their key ring. This is some twill tape just to attach the ring to the bag itself. And then you will need a grommet in order to have a place for the bags to dispense. The very first thing I'm going to do is fold this in half just to create a crease there, and then fold it one more time to create another crease. I'm not going to use my punch tool to punch a hole in this simply because I find it just quicker to take my scissors and to just clip a hole here like so, and we have a hole there that's just about the right size. So I am going to use my arbor press to press the grommets into the doggy bags. I have this basic Dritz tool here that I'm going to use with my arbor press. I'm going to place this part of the Dritz tool down on the table. Place this with the right side down, and then place my fabric with the right side down over the hole like so. Then I'm going to take this side of the grommet and place the right side, or the shiny side, going down like that. And then I'm going to use this to press. I have my zipper placed on the short side of this bag, and I have my zipper foot on the machine and a size 14 needle in the machine. Top stitch here just to keep the zipper from rolling back to the inside. Now I'm going to add my personal tag to it. This was just printed out on my regular printer using the transfer paper. Thinking that's about an inch worth of tape, maybe an inch. Tack it down so it doesn't go anywhere, and try to get it in the center where the grommet is located. Now I'm just going to fold this over and stitch. Just turn this to the right side so that I can add the top stitching to the other side. I don't want to take the zipper off of the tape because if I do, it is going to be hard to get back on there. So basically what I'm going to do is just unzip it a little bit and then sew down as far as I can. Now we're on to the last step, which is to turn the bag to the wrong side and stitch the ends closed. Okay, we're all done. Just going to turn this to the right side. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.